you're drunk.
Eti nimemlambisha ananambia chombeza, tena nikizidisha ananambia koleza, nikitaka kusitisha ananambia ongeza, japo imethibitishwa ila itampoteza. Ikipanda ni balaa, ikishuka ndo hatari, asijepata madhara, akaikosa na hali, ladha yake msala, shira ya Kizanzibari, na misi mjimi wala, akitaka nampa aisukari, nampatia sugar sukari, nampatia sukari.
My name is Sam Ogwang. Today we are going to discuss how we can solve simultaneous equations, basically using elimination method. But what is simultaneous equations? The word simultaneous means at the same time. Simultaneous equations are those containing variables whose values may be obtained at the same time. That means you get the unknowns at the same time. If the unknowns are x and y, you get them at the same time. Some of the examples that we have: 3x plus y equals to 10, x plus y equals to 6, 4x minus 6y equals to 24, 2x minus 5y equals to 10. There are various methods of solving simultaneous equations, but let us look at the elimination method. To eliminate is to remove by either subtracting or adding. So you ensure that if signs are the same, when you add them, that means that the variables can go or can simply reduce to 0. And if the variables are of the same sign, that means you can subtract and they can be 0. For example number 1, we have 2x plus y equals to 6, 3x minus y equals to 9. In this example that you're seeing, we have 2 x's, we have 1 y and 6 in the first equation, then 3x and 1 y and 9 in the second one, but the y's are of different signs and they are already the same. That means if you add them, they can become 0. So when we add the two equations, 2x in the first one and 3x in the second, we get 5x that you're seeing down here, and 1y and negative 1y, if you add them you get 0. That's why you have the space there. 6 plus 9, you get 15. So the result we have is 5x equals to 15. So with the change of subject, if we have a multiplication with a variable, we divide both sides so that we remain with only x. So we divide both sides by 5 and both sides by 5, we get x equals to 3. Now when you have the value of x, you stand a chance of getting the value of y by substituting the x value in any of the equation. And using equation 1, we have 2x plus y equals to 6. Putting x equals to 3, you have 2 times 3, which is 6 plus y equals to 6. So when you take 6 the other side, you get y equals to 0. Example number 2, we have 4x plus y equals to 6 in the first equation, then 6x plus y equals to 4. Again in this example, the y's are the same, and they also have the same sign. That means that if you subtract them, the y's can simply reduce to 0. And subtracting the two equations, 4x minus 6x, you get negative 2x. There you have positive 2x because I divided both sides already by negative. So 6 minus 4, the other side you have 2. So dividing negative 2x by dividing negative 2 on both sides, you have to get x equals to negative 1. Now when you have the x value as negative 1, just like we did in the first example, put it in the second one so that you get the y value. Example number 3, you have 2x plus 3y equals to 5. 5x minus 2y equals to negative 16. here they are not the same. The y values and x values are not the same. So you must ensure that the y values are the same by multiplying the first equation by 2 and the second equation by 3. So you get 4x in the first equation plus 6y equals to 10. Then when you multiply the second equation by 3, you get 15. X minus 6y equals to negative 48. Since the signs of y's are not the same, if you add them, they will become 0. So 4x plus 15x, you get 19x. And 10 plus negative 48, you get negative 38. Dividing both sides by 19, you get x equals to negative 2. Just like we have been doing, when you put the x value, you can simply get the y value. Thank you.